Good morning, students. Welcome back once again in science class. Children, in previous video we were discussing about chapter 7, which was parts of a plant. Okay, and today in this video we will complete this chapter. So what we have discussed in previous video, beta? In previous video I have explained you about that plants have many parts. Okay, and in that we have discussed about root and we have also discussed about stem. Okay, so in short we will discuss again what I have explained you, that parts of plant can be divided into two parts. The first part, which is root system, and the second part, which is shoot system. Root system consists only roots in it, and shoot system consists, as you can see, there are so many parts. It consists leaf, it consists stem, fruits, flowers, and bud also. Many branches also it consists. And now today, in previous video we have discussed about root. I have told you that it has a very important role in plant, as it is fixed in the soil. Without roots, plants would not be able to stand properly and they would not be able to get absorb water and mineral which roots are absorbing from the soil. Then roots passing that water and mineral to the stem, and stem carries that water and mineral to other parts of the plant. And today we will study about the leaf, beta. Leaf is also a very important part in shoot system, as it makes food for the plant. You know very well that leaves are known as kitchen, or it is also known as the food factory of a plant, as it makes food for the whole plant. पूरे plant के लिए जो food बनाने का काम करती है वो कौन करती है? Leaf करती है. So today we will discuss about leaf in detail. Okay. First of all, you have to tell me what is the color of leaf. Here also I have used green color, and outside also you can see that plants are having leaves which especially having green color. So here question arises, beta, why all the leaves have green color? Do you know? Yes. Why all the leaves have green color? Because it has one pigment, and that substance name is chlorophyll. It has a substance, you can say pigment, which it has, that is chlorophyll. What is the spelling of chlorophyll? I am writing here, you can see. The spelling of chlorophyll is CHLOROPHYLL. Okay, what is the spelling of chlorophyll? CHLOROPHYLL. All the leaves have this pigment in it. That's why the color of leaf is green. Okay, so what I have told you, that it is a kitchen, it is a food factory of a plant. It has chlorophyll. That's why the color of leaf is green. And now what is the function of this chlorophyll? Function of chlorophyll is to absorb sunlight, beta. You know very well that photosynthesis process. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? It's a process in which plants make their own food. Okay, so in food making process it has a main role. Chlorophyll का main role होता है. क्या role होता है? Because all the plants, all the leaves are in green color. It has chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, okay, in the environment. That's why we say photosynthesis process only occur in daytime. ये सिर्फ डे टाइम में ही होती है. क्यों होती है? क्योंकि डे टाइम में ही सनलाइट अवेलेबल होता है, और इसका जो फंक्शन है वो क्या होता है? सनलाइट को एब्जॉर्ब करना. सो क्लोरोफिल इज एब्जॉर्बिंग सनलाइट. ओके, सो टू थिंग्स वी हैव स्टडीड, that chlorophyll also absorb sunlight. Okay, you know very well that plants use sunlight to make their food. They also use carbon dioxide. How they are getting carbon dioxide? To understand this, I will explain you the structure of leaf. Okay, and they are also using water and mineral from the roots. From the roots they are getting water and mineral. Okay, so these three things, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and mineral plants are using to make their food. So I have explained you how they are getting the sunlight. So chlorophyll absorbing sunlight. Okay. CO2 I will tell you how they will absorb, and water and mineral is getting absorbed by the roots. So these three things they are using to make their food. Now come here. I will explain you about the structure of leaf. Structure of leaf, children, I have made here one leaf. You can see the original leaf also. ओरिजिनल लीफ आप देखना, उसका जो कलर होता है वो कैसा होता है बेटा, ग्रीन कलर होता है. ओके, तो मैंने आपको बताया जो ग्रीन कलर होता है वो क्लोरोफिल की वजह से होता है. जितने भी ग्रीन कलर के लीव्स होते हैं वो सनलाइट एब्जॉर्ब करने का काम करते हैं, जो कि वो फूड मेकिंग प्रोसेस में यूज करते हैं. देन आफ्टर लीफ, in the leaf I have made one circle here. What you are looking this circle, it means this is consisting stomatas also. What are stomatas? Stomatas आपने previous chapter में उसका meaning पढ़ा है बेटा. Stomatas क्या होते हैं? Tiny holes which are present on the leaf. जो leaf के ऊपर, और especially they are present at the underside of the leaf. Leaf के नीचे की side जो होती है उसमें वो present होते हैं. What is the function of stomatas? अब stomatas का क्या function होता है? As you can see here, ये मैंने stomatas बनाए हैं. ये जो black आपको दिख रहे हैं, they are especially tiny holes. ये tiny holes हैं. अब ये tiny holes क्या करते हैं? We release during breathing process, we release carbon dioxide gas, which is also written as this. ये इसका chemical formula है CO2. तो वो क्या करते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, विच वी रिलीज, जो हम रिलीज करते हैं. सो दे आर एब्जॉर्बिंग दीज स्टोमेटास, एंड ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस दे रिलीज ऑक्सीजन टू अस. हमारे लिए O2 वो रिलीज करते हैं. O2 मीन्स ऑक्सीजन, एंड वी यूज इट फॉर ब्रीदिंग. हम उसको यूज करते हैं ब्रीदिंग के लिए. तो जो एक्सचेंजिंग ऑफ गैसेस है वो स्पेशली स्टोमेटास में होता है, एंड स्टोमेटास आर प्रेजेंट एट द अंडर साइड ऑफ द लीफ. Okay, now you have to see this. What I have made? I have made a structure of a leaf. मैंने एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाया है लीफ का. आप कोई भी एक ओरिजिनल लीफ लेके उसको ऑब्जर्व करना. You will see some lines on it. आप उसके ऊपर कुछ लाइंस देखेंगे. What these lines are specially? The middle line. You will see one line which goes through the middle of the, which is going to the center of the leaf. जो लीफ के बिल्कुल सेंटर से जाती है, सेंटर से जाती है, इसलिए उसको हम बोलते हैं मेन वेन. What we will speak? Main vein. And then we will see so many lines which are coming through the center of the line. जो सेंटर वाली लाइन से टच होके साइड में आपको निकली हुई दिखाई देंगी, they will be called as side veins. जो साइड वेन्स हैं, you will label it as a side vein, and the central line, the center line, you will speak as it as a main vein. Then after, leaf blade. What do you mean by leaf blade? Leaf blade, the flat broad part, जो बिल्कुल flat part होता है. If you will touch the leaf, so it is flat especially. And from the overside, overlook, अगर आप उसे करेंगे ऊपर की तरफ से देखेंगे, so it would be looking like broad. So it is a flat broad flat shape of the leaf, and that would be called as a leaf blade. उसको हम बोलते हैं leaf blade. Okay children, I hope you have understood. तो आपको क्या क्या, मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर रही हूँ, आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे. Food making process means photosynthesis process occur in leaf. That's why it is called as kitchen or food factory of a plant. Leaf is known as kitchen and food factory of a plant. Then after, by the root it absorbs water and mineral it uses to make the food. Then CO2 and sunlight. How they are getting the sunlight? Because leaves are in green color. And why they are in green color? Because they have one pigment, that is chlorophyll. And chlorophyll specially absorb the sunlight. Okay, then after, what is the role of stomatas? The role of stomatas to exchange the gases. It absorbs CO2 and it releases oxygen. Okay, this is the structure of leaf. The flat broad part of a leaf is called as leaf blade, and the line which is going through the center of the leaf, that is main vein, and so many lines which are coming from the side running through the central line, that is called as a side veins. Okay, now we will study about the functions of leaf. अब leaf के functions क्या होते हैं? As I told you that leaves make food for the whole plant, and leaf also helps in exchanging gases. They release oxygen for us. That's why we breathe oxygen. We are breathing. If they would not produce oxygen for us, so we would not be able to get enough oxygen to breathe. Okay. Then after, some of the leaves we are also using to eat. In that, food is stored, extra food is stored for us. So children, which leaves we are using to eat? In that, some of the example I am giving you, like spinach. Spinach होता है पालक. We are using to eat that. Then methi leaves, mint leaves also, tulsi leaves. So these are some leaves which we are using to eat. Okay, because they are edible leaves. And now we will discuss about. Now children, we will discuss about flowers and fruits, which are also parts of a plant. As you can see, all the plants have their own flowers and they have fruits also. Okay, flowers are basically in different color. आप किसी भी plant पे देखना, all the plant have different colors. Colors would not be same. Some of them will be having red, किसी का येलो, किसी का ब्लू. आप देखना डिफरेंट कलर के फ्लावर होते हैं, एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव अ डिफरेंट स्मेल इन देम. ओके, एंड why we are having it together? Because the production of fruit का जो production होता है बेटा, वो basically होता है flower से. Firstly, on the plant, flower will produce, and then the leaves of flowers will be fallen down. From that, the fruit will be grown up. उसके अंदर से fruit grow होता है. Okay, so that's why we have written both of the things together. Suppose, children, we can understand it by a diagram also. One diagram I have made. I have taken an example of pomegranate. Okay, मैंने एक pomegranate का example लिया है. As we can see in starting, the flower of pomegranate would be red. Okay, and it would be like a bud. उसका एक जो bud है आप उसके trees पे देख सकते हो. A bud grows on the stem. Firstly, a bud grows on the stem or on a branches also. एक branch पे वो grow करता है. Then after, the bud turns into flower. Okay, जो budding है वो धीरे धीरे करके that would be changing, that would be turning into a flower shape. Then at last, what would happen? The flower falls away. The leaves of flowers, after some days, they would be fallen down, and from that the fruit will be developed and it would be coming out. उसमें से आप निकलता हुआ देख सकते हो. Then after, at last, that fruit would change into a mature fruit. Fruit grows bigger and ripen. Ripen का मतलब है कि वो पक जाता है, वो mature fruit में convert हो जाता है. Okay, so flowers and fruits are together. We have understood that the fruit will be developed from the flower. Okay, and both of the things, like if we will talk about the flower, they are having their own color and different color, and they are having their own smell. इनकी सबकी एक different smell होती है. From the flower, the fruit can be developed in this way, as you can see. And now we will discuss about the seeds. What do you mean by? If we will talk about the seeds, beta, how do the seeds develop? Seed का development कहाँ से होता है? Seeds are present inside the fruits. Seeds जो होते हैं वो fruit के अंदर होते हैं. Some of the fruits are having seeds, and some of the fruits are not having. And some fruits have especially one seed in them, and some fruits have so many seeds in them. Okay, and seeds are also having their own color. Every seed, जो different seed होते हैं, उनका अपना एक color होता है. They are having their own shape and size. वो भी different होता है. If we will talk about the different plants seed. Okay, and some of the seeds we are using eat. They are called as edible seeds. उनको हम edible seeds कहते हैं, जिनके हम specially seed ही use करते हैं खाने के लिए. So which seeds we are using to eat? Those are beta wheat. Wheat, what do you mean by wheat? Wheat होता है गेहूँ. And how we are eating wheat? As a chapati or paratha, puri, which you are eating. How it is made up of? It is made up from wheat. Then gram. ग्राम क्या होता है बेटा? ग्राम होता है चना, दैट इज ऑल्सो वी आर यूजिंग सीड, वी आर यूजिंग टू ईट. पल्सेस होते हैं आपके दालें, ऑल द पल्स वी आर यूजिंग टू ईट. एंड किडनी बीन्स मीन्स राजमा. So these all are examples of seeds which we are using to eat, and especially they are called as edible seeds. Those seeds we are using to eat, they would be called as edible seeds. And now at last we will discuss about the germination of seed. Germination of seed beta, how the seeds would develop into a new plant. Seed जो होते हैं, how a new plant will come up. Let's discuss about this. So children, what I have made here, I have made a diagram of germination of a seed. Germination का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of germination? Germination means to produce a new plant from a seed बेटा. Germinate करना, seed का germination होना. And how do a seed would be germinate? To show this process, we need to take a seed first. हमें क्या लेना है? एक seed लेना है. And what will you do? You will dug the soil and you will put that seed into the soil. That seed will use water, enough warmth of the soil, that would use the sunlight, okay, and after some days it will start to grow. Means that seed would contain a new plant in it, a baby plant in it. After some days it will change into a new plant, and then after some days it will change into a big plant, and this complete process would be called as germination of a seed. So the growth of a baby plant, the growth of a baby plant from a seed is called as germination. जो ग्रोथ है बेबी प्लांट की वो कहाँ से होती है? सीड से होती है. सो इट इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच द ग्रोथ ऑफ अ बेबी प्लांट फ्रॉम अ सीड इज कॉल्ड एज जर्मिनेशन. उसको हम बोलते हैं जर्मिनेशन. So I hope children you have understood this and you have to read this chapter again. Thank you.